5. Connections between variables. Example: Zahra made geometric patterns using matchsticks. Zahra is intending to create triangles using the matchsticks. She called the first figure figure 0 because there are no triangles. The next one she called figure 1 because there is one triangle. Zahra's figures are here. Figure 0 is there is no triangle, only there is one stick, matchstick. Figure 1, there is one triangle using the matchsticks. Figure 2, there are two triangles using the matchsticks. Figure 3, there are three triangles using the matchsticks. In figure 1, she needs one matchsticks. In figure 2, she needs two more matchsticks to create one triangle. In figure 3, she needs two more sticks to create three triangles, and etc. The number of matchsticks in each pattern to create more triangles is, in the first one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. In the first, she needs only one stick. In the second, she needs two more sticks. In the third, she needs again two more sticks, and so on. Figure 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are figure number. In the figure 0, she needs only one stick. In figure 1, she needs 3 sticks. In figure 2, she needs 5 matchsticks. In figure 3, she requires 7 matchsticks. In figure 4, she requires 9 matchsticks. In figure 5, she requires 11 matchsticks. For instance, in figure 3, for 3 triangles, she needs 1 plus 3 times 2 equals 7 matches. Again, for instance, in figure 5, that is for 5 triangles, she needs 1 plus 5 times x is equal to 11. In general, in figure n, that is any number of figures, the formula for number of matches will be 1 plus n times 2. That is, n is number of figure, whether it is figure 0, figure 1, figure 2, any figure you require. Now, how many does she will need for figure 123? Let us use the formula. 1 plus n times 2. n is number of figure. 1 plus n is 123 times 2. 1 plus 246, that is 123 times 2 is 246. In figure 123, she will need 247 matchsticks. Finally, draw points showing the relationship between the first 7 figures and the number of matches in a coordinate system. First, prepare a table. As we have said, in figure 0, there is 1 matchstick. In figure 1, there are 3 matchsticks. In figure 2, there are 5 matchsticks, and so on. Here the vertical represents the matchsticks and the horizontal represents for number of figures. In figure 0 there is one matchstick. In figure 2 there are 3 matchsticks. In figure 3 there are 5, 7. In figure 2 there are 5 matchsticks. In figure 3 there are 7 matchsticks, and so on. We can notice here the positions of the points are on a straight line.